Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know about limit distance advanced mate. I open new assembly interface. Now I insert a component. This component, open, rotate it along z-axis, y-axis, x-axis. This component, okay. Again I insert this same component, press and hold control button. Select this component, drag it. See here, its copy is here. This component is this in this assembly is in 2 times. Part number 3 first, this one. Part number 3 second is this one. Now go to mate section. Read this. Now go to mate selection. Select this edge and this upper line. Coincident. Okay. This face and this face coincident. Okay. Again okay. See here. We apply mate at this both edges. These edges. Now go to mate section. Advanced mate. In mate selection, first of all, I select this face and this face. Select angle. Here enter angle. I enter 50 mm. Sorry, I enter 50 degree. Flip traction. Uncheck it. You can also apply it in flip traction by unchecking it. Maximum 50 degree. Minimum just keeping 10 degree. Okay. Again okay. See here, our limit angle advanced mate is applied. This is going here to here and stop here at 10 degree, and in going upward it is stopping here at 50 degree. Select this edge, select this face, press and hold the control button and select this face. See here, this is 50 degree. Now select this part and move it downward. It is stop here. Select this face and press and hold control button. Select this face. This is 10 degree. Minimum is 10 degree and maximum is 50 degree. So this is our limit angle advanced mate in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.